guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a spotlight eye makeup tutorial. I did get new palettes, new makeup. So I'm priming my eyes with the tinted eye primer in Satin Blush. I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to be using Rotor Man, this shade right here, for my crease. Next, I'm going to be using 100% and put that in my crease. Then I'm going to be using oil right there and put it right here in my crease just to make that part a little bit darker. Now I'm going to be grabbing Florida and put it in this part of my crease. Next I'm going to grab the concealer by Maybelline. I'm just going to be using this brush right here to apply it. Now I'm going to be grabbing Hey Guys, the shade right here, and I'm going to put it on where I put my concealer. And I also am going to be grabbing a little bit of Twinsies right here. And then I'm going to be grabbing Many Best. What I'm doing right now I am just blending the colors in together so the spotlight looks more blended in. I just grabbed a little bit more of Florida and I'm going to be putting it right here. And then I'm going to grab oil again. I'm going to put it on my bottom. Also going to grab Florida and put it on my bottom lash as well. I'm going to be grabbing my highlight and putting that in my tear duct. I'm just going to be using a makeup wipe and wipe off all the fallout that I have. This is the final look. I kind of look bad. This is it. Hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like this video. Bye!